The phenomenon of songs repeating in our minds, often referred to as an earworm or stuck song syndrome, is a common and fascinating occurrence. There are several reasons why songs get stuck in our heads. Catchiness. Catchy tunes tend to have repetitive melodies, hooks, or lyrics that are easy to remember. These elements create a strong impression on our minds and increase the likelihood of the song getting stuck. Repetition. Songs that we have recently heard or songs that we frequently listen to are more likely to replay in our minds. Repetition plays a crucial role in memory formation, and our brain often replays familiar patterns automatically. Unfinished patterns. The brain seeks completion and resolution. If we hear a song or a part of a song without reaching a conclusive ending, our mind may try to fill in the missing pieces by replaying the melody or lyrics to achieve a sense of closure. Cognitive processes. Certain cognitive processes, such as boredom, stress, or anxiety, can increase the likelihood of experiencing earworms. When our minds are idle or preoccupied, songs can fill the void or act as a mental distraction. Emotional connections. Songs that have emotional significance or trigger nostalgic memories tend to stick in our minds more often. The emotional response associated with a particular song can make it more memorable and prone to replaying in our thoughts. Environmental triggers. External cues, such as hearing a song in a specific context or environment, can trigger the replay of that song in our minds. For example, if you hear a song repeatedly while shopping, you might find yourself humming or thinking about it when you enter a store. While having a song stuck in your head can sometimes be enjoyable, it can also become annoying or distracting. Engaging in other activities, listening to a different song, or focusing on a mentally engaging task can help redirect your attention and reduce the frequency of the repeating song in your mind.